Welcome to the art of luxury plating. Today we're crafting an exquisite molten chocolate dome with a luscious salted caramel heart. The journey begins with combining rich, dark chocolate and velvety butter, slowly melting them together over a gentle heat. This delicate process ensures a smooth, glossy foundation, essential for the dome's flawless texture and intense flavor. Notice how the two ingredients become one, a harmonious blend of indulgence. Next, we introduce air and sweetness by whisking eggs with fine granulated sugar until they transform into a light, voluminous cloud. This aeration is key to achieving that perfect crumb. Then, with a gentle hand, we fold in our warm chocolate blend. The technique here is crucial. Careful folding preserves the airy texture, creating a batter that's both rich and remarkably light. It's about coaxing the ingredients to mingle without deflating their delicate structure. The batter is then poured into individual dome molds, destined for a quick bake. Just a kiss of heat is all it needs to set the edges, while the center remains beautifully molten. As our domes bake, let's conjure the magic of salted caramel. Sugar and water, simmered undisturbed, slowly deepen into a rich amber. This precise caramelization develops deep, complex notes, a testament to patience and controlled heat. The moment the caramel achieves its perfect amber hue, we carefully introduce warmed heavy cream. This addition halts the cooking process, creating a luxurious, velvety base. The cream must be warm to prevent seizing. Then, cold cubed butter and a sprinkle of sea salt flakes are stirred in, melting into the caramel to create an irresistible balance of sweet and savory. This balance is what elevates a simple caramel to an extraordinary indulgence. With our chocolate domes cooled and perfectly unmolded, their fragile beauty is revealed. Now for the heart of the matter. Gently, we create a small well in the center of each dome. Into this cozy space, we carefully spoon our warm, molten salted caramel. The contrast of the soft chocolate shell and the flowing golden caramel within is truly a masterpiece in texture and taste, promising a delightful surprise with every bite. The final act is one of artistic presentation. A vibrant swish of homemade berry compote provides a fresh, tart counterpoint on the plate. Our filled chocolate dome takes center stage, elegantly poised. A delicate dusting of bright green pistachio and a scattering of delicate edible flowers complete this edible masterpiece. It's more than just a dessert, it's an experience, a symphony of flavors and textures designed to captivate. Treat yourself to this pure indulgence. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exquisite recipes. #LuxuryDessert.